Network Entertainment.
Kapatid, real talk lang tayo. Napapansin mo ba kapag may problem ka sa pera, hindi lang wallet ang apektado? Pati tulog, mood, pakikitungo mo sa tao at syempre tingin mo sa sarili. Kasi ang katotohanan, ang pera hindi lang financial issue, kundi ito ay mental and emotional issue.
Hi, I'm Chingitan and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free. Teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
Hi there, welcome back to Chink Positive. Thank you very much for tuning into this podcast. And thank you for making a top 100 podcast here in the Philippines. And don't forget to subscribe. Today, kakausapin kita not as a teacher, pero gusto kitang kausapin bilang isang kaibigan. Kasi alam ko na marami po ang dumadaan ngayon sa panahon ng mga krisis, di ba? At syempre, yung tinatawag nating financial stress. Minsan, sinasabi natin, okay lang to, lilipas din yan, kaya ko pa. But honestly, deep inside, I can feel the weight of your concern, di ba? Hindi lang pera ang pinag-usapan natin pati yung mental, emotional, physical, di ba? Naapektuhan na So today, let's talk, di ba? Gaano ba kalakas ang epekto ng financial stress sa buhay mo? Just want to reiterate, once you are in financial stress, hindi lang pera nauubos. Nauubos din yung patience mo. Nauubos din syempre yung hope mo, di ba? Parang mabilis ka mairita, mabilis ka mapagod, di ba? Parang to the point na panay bills na lang babayaran ko. Minsan, kahit na maliit na gastos, ayaw mo nang gumastos kasi nga may guilt feeling ka imbis na i-enjoy mo, di ba? Ibabayad mo na lang. At ang pinakamakabigat dito, parang pakiramdam mo na wala ka na ginawang tama, panay mali. Parang feeling mo na pag-iiwanan ka na. Pero pakinggan mo to, please, listen to this. I just want to encourage you that you are not a failure. You're just overwhelmed sa dami ng responsibility, sa dami ng ginagawa. Kasi reality, if you're financial stress, it affects your way of thinking. Iba ka na mag-decide, di ba? Yung parang hindi ka na nagiging wise, reactive ka na lang. Sa sobrang inis na, yung parang you're going to a free fall already. Napapansin mo ba na pag ikaw ay financially stressed, yung parang okay na, ayaw mo nang harapin yung mga dapat mong harapin, pinopostpone mo dapat mong ayusin. Minsan, napapabili ka naman na hindi dapat kasi nga nainis ka lang. Hindi dahil mahina ka. Because you are in a confusion and survival mode. And once you're in a confusion survival mode, chances are the decision that you're going to make is going to be a wrong one. That's the reason why I want to encourage you. If there is life, there is hope. Diba? Huwag kang talaga mawawala ng pag-asa. Oo. I will not give you a complicated formula. I'll just give you something simple that you can chew. Okay? Una, ang kailangan mo gawin, stop whatever you're doing. Don't panic because it's organic. Ang gawin mo, you need clarity. Let me repeat. Clarity. Ang kailangan mo, clarity. Hindi mo kailangan ng income. Kahit na may income ka pero confused ka, you'll make bad decision. So isulat mo lahat, income, gastos, utang, obligation. Sulat mo sa isang pirasong papel. This is not to scare you, but this is to make you see ano ba talaga ang issue. Number 2, choose one battle at a time. Isa lang muna. Ano bang ayusin mo? Sige, needs muna. Next, utang. Di ba? Isa-isa. Or probably one bad habit that you want to, imbis na, like for example, kain kayo ng kain sa labas, 2,000 per meal, di ba? 4 times in a month, gawin mo na lang 2 times or 1 time. Pangatlo, don't forget to take care of yourself. Kasi kahit anong, if you want to face the music, may stress ka na, pagkatapos niyan, di ba, gusto mo nang ayusin talaga yung problema mo, kailangan mentally, emotionally, and physically strong ka. Kahit anong galing mo sa pagbabudget, kung pagod ang isip mo, you'll make bad decision. Kung pagod ang iyong katawang lupa, hindi ka talaga makaka-perform well. Kaya kapatid, listen to me. While you are, I don't know if you're sleeping already, patulog ka na, hoy, gising. Magpahinga ka. Mag-exercise ka. Kumain ka ng tama, hindi lang panay junk food. Gumawa ka ng 10,000 steps. Magdasal ka. Diba? Kausapin mo si Lord. Diba? Lord, kailangan ko ng tulong mo. Tatandaan mo, may hangganan ka, hindi ka robot, tao ka rin. Alam mo, ang financial stress, it's real. Let us not underestimate itong pinagdadaanan mo. Kaya I just want to challenge you right now to start thinking right by really writing down your expenses, writing down your priorities, and then also to choose to take care of yourself. At kung nakaka-relate ka sa episode na ito, please do me a favor. Share this episode to someone who you feel that might need to hear this message because you are not alone. This is Chinkitan reminding you, mabigat ang problema sa pera pero hindi mo kailangan dalhin mag-isa. As I always say in our program, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.